Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are showing you guys how to hook up a 250 watt 24 volt e-bike controller. This works for a lot of scooters and e-bikes. This is 24 volts, but we're actually going to run 20 volts, and I'm going to show you guys that 20 volts does work with a lithium Dewalt battery pack. I use these for everything. I have a lot laying around, so it's really easy for me to just hook these up. But you can use a 24 volt or any brand 20 volt would work as well. So let me show you. So this is our battery. And I have this hooked to an on and off switch right here. Oh, so it's running 22 volts right now. So that's enough for the minimum 21 volt. Turn this off. Okay. So I've already kind of tested everything. I'll show you guys what does what. But you'll see a whole bunch of wires on here. And it's pretty confusing because most of them are not labeled. And if they are labeled, they're labeled in Chinese. So only 2 of them look like they're labeled. So I'm going to explain exactly what each wire does. Here's a little quick wiring diagram I made. So thick RB is red, black. That goes to the battery. This is like green, black, red. And it goes to the throttle. Black. This one is ground. Orange, black. So basically these tell you what color: purple, white, yellow, black, red, black, then red, black, because there's a repeat of red, black, red, orange for key switch, green, yellow for the motor. But let's go ahead and go through each of the wires on here. So it always looks like a mess every time you get a controller. So let's hook up our battery. So this is just positive and negative. And it's connected to this switch. So I have a little switch right here to turn it on and off. It's just safety, and then also a fuse in here as well, just in case. Okay, so we're gonna hook up. This is the negative towards the black. So we're doing this positive. This is the battery connector. Red, black, thick wires. And it's the thickest wires on here besides the motor. So positive to the red, negative to the black. All right, one connector down. Let's do the motor. So here's the motor. So that means it's off. The line means connected. So right now we don't have power going in here. You don't want power going in here while you're messing with these wires. And these don't matter which way, positive or negative, depending on which rotation you want. So if it goes the opposite way that you want it, you can just unplug it and flip the connectors. So we're going to do yellow with red, green with black. Charger, we're not using a charger for this because we're running a Dewalt 20 volt battery, so I'm going to use the factory charger. If you're running a 24 volt battery, you can plug in the 24 volt charger to this and it will charge the battery. Okay, so we've done, that's the charger. This is the thin red and black wire. The 3 wires connector, it's usually the throttle. It's the only 3 wire connector you'll have on here. So throttle, plug that in. And this one's actually wired correctly, so we don't have to mess with it. Sometimes you get a throttle that's not wired correctly. Okay, those are done. So on and off switch. We're using a on and off switch. It can be a toggle switch, it can be anything, but this one has a key. So off, on. Connect this. Red, orange is the ignition switch. Plug that in. All right, so now we're only left with 5 connectors. So this one was charger. yellow-black connector is brake lever. So this brake lever, anytime this gets a connection that continues the loop, this purple and white wires give positive, basically it's a tail light. And then anytime this makes a connection as well, then the throttle doesn't go anymore. So I'm going to demonstrate this for you. All right, orange, black, thin wires right here. This is for LED indicator light. So if you have an on and off light on your scooter or e-bike, this will show you on and off. And you can even use this to power headlight. That would work too, headlight. This single wire right here is just a ground wire, negative ground wire. I don't use this, but it's just single negative wire. And that's everything. All right, so those are all the wires explained. I'll demonstrate how the tail light, brake light works. So I'm going to use this little connector to jump the wiring. And this acts like a brake lever. Let's turn the power on right here. So I have two powers. So this is for the battery safety. Turn that on. This is the ignition switch key. Turn that on. So now we have power going through this unit. You can hit the throttle. There. Do you see how it's rotating? A full range motion, so you can go slow if you want, or go fast. All right. So now, brake lever. If you hit your brake lever and this is connected, this will jump those two. Now, you won't get any throttle, and this brake light will have power now. There you go. 21 volt. So right now it has 21 volts going through the purple and white. If you unplug this, so this is acting like you're not pressing the brake lever, this will not have any power going to it. So then your tail light will stay off. And this is headlight or LED indicator light. So 21 volts. And if you turn off the switch, your headlight will be off. There. So no power going through it. And right now, with this key off, you can't give any throttle. There's no power going into the motor. And that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. We're going to install this onto a little scooter pretty soon. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and you can follow me on my next build. So we're making something kind of fun and safe. So it's only going to run a 20 volt battery with 250 watt motor. But all right, stay tuned.